head to this one right now because they added these cute little Disney things in their little blind bags, and they're on clearance right now, so y'all should go get them. You can get 2 for $5. So I'm gonna open one today, and you can get Pluto, the godmother from Cinderella, Captain Hook, Peter Pan, Mr. Incredible, Bing Bong, that's my one. And then the guy from Soul and Mirabelle. Okay, so I'm gonna see if they have a pool tag, because if they don't, I'm gonna go grab a soda. Okay. Before I open it, I think that this one is Woody because you can kind of feel the star a little bit. So let's see which one we got. I was right. See, in the photo, you can't see their whole body, but he has his whole little outfit on, and it's so cute. Okay. They come with this little prop thing. You can slide them through it, and this one stands up like that. They're no baggies. This one's really cute. I'm glad I got this one. And then this is the little character. So you push them that way, and there you go. Oh, there you go. Okay, so that was one. And for the last one, it's pretty big. So I think that we're going to either get this one, or maybe that one. So let's open this one. I'm hoping to get the carriage of Bing Bong. This one's there's so much air in this one. I might have to go get scissors for this one. Wait, you think you can open it? Don't look at it though. Okay, so I don't know if I'm gonna get. I don't open it. I'm just gonna go get scissors. Wait, let me see. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. 1 second. So these are the first scissors that I saw. So this one doesn't work, then I'm going to. Oh, sorry. Okay. I got the carriage. This one's cute. This one you have to assemble. So, and this one also comes with a manual. It comes. Whoa. Okay. So we got Series 5 apparently. There's a lot. You can get this rare. I got this one and Woody. Okay, now I'm going to assemble it. I'm so happy that I got this. But I'm telling you, I went and I looked at all of them. I had to feel around. And this one was the biggest one. So I was like, oh, well maybe I can get the carriage or Bing Bong. And this carriage is adorable. Okay. Oh, and then you must. It didn't come with any instructions, so I think it goes this way. Let me just open up all these real fast. This one is a big boy. Kind of looks like a Demogorgon. Okay, I almost have it. And this one has the fairy godmother. I wonder if any of these are rare. This one is really cute. Look at this one. She's adorable. Okay. And then there is the thing. Ooh, let me look at the picture. Yeah. So you snap this on. think it's this. They put this on back. And then I have no idea where this is going. Oh wait, never mind. Snaps into the little sides. Oh, and then the little wait. Okay, so it looks like the chair goes right here. And then this goes this way. I don't know. This one's kind of hard to assemble. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. And make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye.